It sounds like an ideal formula for weight loss. Instead of regular meals or snacks, you instead down a shake or bar with a careful mix of calories and nutrients. But do these products really work? Yes. And no. Says advanced accredited practicing dietitian Melanie Mgris. Appearing on Today Extra, she explained meal replacements can help achieve both short and long-term weight loss, when they're taken correctly, which they're often not. For starters, any meal replacement has to replace the right kind of meal. If for example you have 2 Weet-Bix with milk for breakfast, sometimes a meal replacement shake can have more kilojoules. But if you're replacing a huge bowl of pasta and garlic bread, it'll have less kilojoules and you'll lose weight. Another concern is protein. Meal replacements may not supply enough of it, which can lead to a loss of muscle mass, which can in turn contribute to regaining weight in the long term. Mgris recommends checking the product's nutrition information, to both choose a low-sugar option, as well as ensure you're taking a meal replacement, designed to replace a single meal, or a total meal replacement, a program where all your meals are replaced by a shake, bar or soup, aka very low-calorie diets or VLCDs. You really need to read the labels because some of the shakes are designed to be made with milk so you're getting more protein, and some of them are designed to be made with water. If you mix them with milk you're getting too many calories and you might not lose weight. Some meal replacement products may require you to take extra supplements or drink extra water, as they can dehydrate you. There isn't anything wrong with meal replacement shakes, but I do stress you do them under the guidance of an accredited practicing dietitian. If you don't, you can miss out on those key